morning. So today is my second day home alone with baby. Yesterday was our first day alone. Jose went back to work, unfortunately. It was a very sad morning to see him go. But we had a really good day yesterday. We did a lot of nothing. I took 2 really good naps with Lucas, and that just made the day go by really fast. When I looked at the time, it was like 4 o'clock, and it was almost time for Jose to come home. So um, here he is, my sweet baby. I just finished pumping about an hour ago, and then he saw me pumping and wanted milk. So then I nursed him. I'm pumping and nursing right now. I didn't think that I would pump and nurse at the same time, but I have so much milk and I'm so grateful for it. One of my fears was that I wasn't going to be able to produce enough milk for Lucas, but so far, knock on wood, can't knock on wood right now, but so far I've had a good supply, which is amazing. So I've got a little bit of milk in the fridge for later that my mom might feed him, because she's coming over later and she says she wants to feed him. And then I just put away 3 ounces in the freezer, which I'm so excited about. Starting my supply, huh? Are we gonna start our supply? Yeah. He is just the most amazing little boy. So by now, the videos, some videos should be up, like the pregnancy progression video, that should be up with just like pictures of my belly. There should be another video, which is how we, like, when we found out that it was a boy, and it just takes you on a journey from basically like day 1 to when the baby was born. So yeah, so go watch those if you haven't already. And if you're new to my channel, hold on one second. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe. We are going to be posting a lot more regularly. We were posting every week, and then I gave birth and took the week off, obviously. But yeah, but everything should be back to normal pretty soon. Lucas is just the sweetest little boy. I'm so in love with him, and I just don't see how or what I did without him before. When I think about it, I'm like, oh, I used to be a nanny. I used to work full time, and we just had Emily, and we did this and we did that, and I'm like, how did we ever do that without him? It's just so weird. But yeah, we are absolutely blessed. He is a healthy baby boy. If you don't already know, he was 9 pounds 8 ounces, 21 inches long. I'm thinking about doing a labor and delivery video, so let me know if you want to see that. We were in labor for quite a bit, and yeah, it was quite dramatic, huh? Yeah, but everything went well. I'm doing well. I am resting and recovering well, and he's just the sweetest. So a friend of mine is coming to visit today. My mom is coming, and I'm hoping that we can, between the two of us, we can make some empanadillas. Oh my goodness, look who made it outside. Yeah, who made it outside for a walk?
Cuando los míos se dormían, yo con el dedo así, yo lo hacía así. Los movía para que se despertaran.
That's abuse, Mom.
It's not abuse. If you cry for milk, you're going to drink your milk.
A little bit.
You don't put them in. You don't put them in yet.
So you can lock it. We are going on our first trip to Target with baby, and I have a feeling he's gonna love Target just as much as we do. Daddy's pushing him in the stroller. I told him we don't need a stroller because we could just put him in the Target strollers, but I think he wants to take it anyways. Took a new toy for him too. Mom's coming also. Pero we didn't buy it together.
It's nice. Con una sola tres gomas.
Sweet baby.
It's for running.
The worst.
We all survived our first Target trip. Mom did too. Yay!
You just gotta kiss it out of him. Yeah, hiccups again. He's like, I'd rather somehow stop these hiccups.
Para que no me siga besando.
Dad, stop kissing me.
That's so funny.
You stop.
Le gustas. Oh, se está durmiendo otra vez. Qué bello, Lucas. Lucas. Lucas and Daddy.
You like that? Saw that smile, right?
Oh.